Hello guys, welcome to our channel and we're back as we continue working on our Wix bookings site. Today's main focus will be designing our login page, so let's start. First, we're going to go to the Pages and Menu button. Next, click on Sign Up and Login. And then let's select Member Login Form. Our login form is set to default. If you have the members area installed onto your site, it will automatically have a sign up or a login page that are set to default. And in addition, you'll also have pages for your members. Let's see. So you have my account page, my wallet page, all the other pages necessary for a member, as well as a profile page. Anyway, I'm going to go back to sign up and log in. Member login form, and we're gonna work on it this time. Anyway, apart from having the default form, you can actually change your default login form to a customized form. So over here on this panel, which member login form do your visitors see? Instead of default, you can actually choose custom. And if you'd like to add a custom form, click on Add to Site. Wait for it to finish installing. And now we'll be able to see our login form. Unlike the sign-up form, you can edit or customize your login form element by element. Well, the sign-up form we edited in the previous video, we can actually edit it. We can edit the entire form itself, but in this case, since you're going to log in only, then the essential fields would just be your email or username or your password. So we only have two fields for that. So click on an element you want to edit and a menu will appear. And depending on the element you select as well, let's have this one for example, or this text for example, the menu items on the menu will also differ. For texts, you'll only get the options to create with AI tools, add animated effects, and add a link to it. For an input element, such as this element over here, the menu items we have are the settings, the layout, the design, and the animations button. So let's talk about them one by one. Let's start with the settings first. So for the settings, a small window should appear here on the editor. I think my website is not working for now, so I'm just going to reload my web page and get back to you. Okay, so we're back and our settings button finally works. Anyway, here on the settings window, you can change its type. So you have text, password, number, email, URL, or phone number. So whenever a user usually logs in, email would be the best option for them to log in. So we're just going to leave it to email. Next, you also have the options here to edit your email settings, such as your field title. The field title is this one. Show initial text, so you can choose none. You can choose placeholder, which is this text inside the field. You can also have default or default, then placeholder. Just select anything you like. I'm going to remove that actually because it's going to be redundant. We already have a field title here, so I don't think we really need a placeholder for that, but it's up to you. For validations, you also have the options to choose here. So you choose your field type. Is it required or is it read only? Of course, they're going to log in, so I think it should be required. You also have add pattern validation. If this is something you want to toggle on, you can toggle this on and enter a regex to add your own pattern validation to the browser's default validation, but I'm not going to be needing that. And then you finally have your error message format. In case there would be an error, you can choose the format of your error and how it would appear. So you have inline or a tooltip. I think I'd like to leave it as tooltip. Once you're done, you can close the window and move on to the other elements you want to edit. And basically, you just edit them one by one. And apart from that, you can also use other buttons here. So you have the layout button. So this is where you can edit your form's layout by adjusting your input and placeholder indent, field title indent, and space between field and field title. You can also change your formatting. You can change your direction from left to right or right to left, but I'd like to leave it be. And then you can also choose your alignment. And if you click on advanced, you'll have more additional options over here that you can set up. And once you're done, you can close this small window. The next menu item here is the design button. So as for the design button, a new window will appear once again, and this is where you can choose a style for your form element. For more customization options, just click on Customize Design over here. And these are the things that you can change on your element. So you can change its fill color and opacity, its border, its corners, its shadow, and its text. And once you're done, you can close this window. And then finally, you have the animation button. Of course, this is where you can add an animated effect to your chosen or to your selected element. And if you like, you can actually customize your selected animated effect. Just click on Customize. You can edit its duration over here as well as its delay. And if you want to see how it's going to look like, you can click on the Preview button here to preview what it's going to look like. Once you're done, you can click on the Close button now. Don't forget to save your changes, so click on the Save button over here. And that's all for now. That's how you create or customize your login form. Stay tuned as we continue working on this Wix bookings site. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.